My name is Rebecca Kendrick and I'm the Executive Director at Fort Vancouver Post-Acute, and I have worked with Shan in the 10 years that he's been here, and he is by and large one of the most dedicated, compassionate, knowledgeable employees that we have. He works so hard to take care of his patients, and he always does it with a smile on his face and a cup of coffee in his hand.
Shan will do anything for a patient, and when he's assigned to a patient or even when he's not, he is a part of that family. He's a family member, and he advocates for them.
His dedication to his patients is absolutely without comparison.
He's always worked really tirelessly to improve the health and well-being of the patients he cares for.
It's just wonderful to watch him and how excited he is and motivated he is to just provide the best care and be a good role model to his peers and coworkers.
I find him to be a very compassionate, thorough, supportive nurse who also is probably the fastest walker in the whole building.
He's fast, and he's like, we call him Kramer sometimes because he's in and out.
And he just never stops moving. We actually call him the Flash because he moves so fast everywhere he goes to get it done.
And the best thing about Shan is that he's never falters. He never falters in his enthusiasm and his drive for his job.
Shan has always been approachable. He always fixes a problem before you even have one.
We call him Shan Wow. It used to be Shan Wow. Shan Wow was a commercial, and so he's just always there, and he picks up the pieces, and so we call him Shan Wow.
Really proud and really happy to be here working with Shan.
One of the reasons Fort Vancouver is such a great facility, a lot of the reason that all of us stay to work here is because of Shan, and I can't appreciate him more.
And we're thankful to have you. Congratulations, Shan.
He's also got a great collection of flannel shirts.
Congrats!